my first handbag purchase of 2023. Are you guys ready? I am so proud of myself. I said this year was going to be a low buy year, and I'm making my first purchase in February 2023. I do not see myself making any other purchases until June. So I'm going to give myself a pat on the back. I've done good. I have done good. Hi guys, it's Sammy with YellowSparksJoy. Welcome to my channel. You probably already know that this is the SAMMY Top Handle. I have talked about this bag since when we saw that it was released in Asia. And then when I saw this, I was like, oh my god, you guys know that I love structured bags. I have a whole number of them. I have my Michael Kors structured bags, and so I knew I was going to get this bag. And even better that they made it in a yellow that I like. Like, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you would know that I'm very picky with my yellows. I love yellow, and because of that, there's certain shades of yellow that I don't like. And so currently I only have one yellow bag that I got from the Coach outlet in the color retro yellow, which I think is an amazing shade of yellow. I love that shade. Coach over the years has done several different shades of yellow. They've done hay before. They've only recently brought hay back. They've done buttercup. They've done some weird ones, some funky ones. I mean, there's a yellow for everybody. Out of all the Coach yellows I've seen, I've always loved hay. They just didn't have any bags in hay in recent years. When I wanted to make my made to order rogue, one of the color combinations I was considering was the hay in suede, but I changed my mind and I decided to go with my 1941 red instead. Oh my goodness, guys, look at that. Oh, my essay is the sweetest. Thanks, Natalie. Look, it has my YouTube name on there, and I love to collect these. I'm going to use these on my Christmas tree this December. Yes, I'm already thinking about Christmas. So here's the receipt. Dear Timmy, what a great start to 2023. Enjoy your new Coach baby. Can't wait to see how amazing you will style this new Sammy bag. Thanks for being such an amazing customer, Nata and the Coach Chinook team. Right off the bat, in Canadian dollars, this bag cost $670 plus tax. I ended up paying 703 Canadian dollars. Not cheap at all, but this is one bag that I was not going to wait to see if it goes on sale. That's how much I love it. I have very few bags that I've bought full price. The Coach quilted black heart bag, my Coach Cashin in the blue fin, my Coach Beat in the color ivory with rivets, and my made to order robe. And the Sammy will make it number 5. Enough talking, let me unbox this beauty. I'm so happy. It was released on the website on Wednesday for insiders, so I ordered it from my SA or through my SA on Wednesday, and then she had it shipped to me, and it just arrived like literally 5 minutes ago. So she also sent me a gift with purchase. So let's open that. I know what it is already because she told me about it. So thank you very much to the team at Coach Chinook. Wow, this is a beautiful color. This is kind of like a milky brown nude. It's not my nude. That's my nude. But yeah, really nice. I like this. I've never seen this color, and it comes with brass hardware, and it comes with this wristlet strap, which I've never seen on a card holder before. It says Coach at the back, torn lock CC wristlet in the color tan. There we go. And it was gift with purchase, so I think if you spend above a particular amount, you get a gift with purchase, and this was my gift with purchase. Give me this cute little dust bag and a care booklet as well. Wow, Coach is stepping up this year. Like, the colors they're doing, they have like a violet for spring, they have different 2 shades of yellow, they have blues, like, and they're now doing a lot of leather interior. They're also doing smooth leathers, bag refreshes, different, like, no, they're really stepping up their game. They're putting the rogue handle on different things, which elevates the style so much. So let's get out the Sammy. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, I know I've been obsessed about this bag since December. Typically at the store, they would take out all of the bags and take off all the factory wrapping, and so when you buy from the store, it comes without the wrapping. But I told her, girl, better keep that wrap on. I can see the color. I can see the color. Can you guys see the color? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this is, oh my goodness, this is, you guys are tired of me rambling and screaming, but I have not seen this bag in person. This is the first time. It just arrived Canada about a week ago, and they were only able to start selling it when it hit the website 2 days ago. So I have not seen, oh wow. This is so beautiful. It's not like a bright yellow. It's kind of like a muted yellow. And with that brass hardware, oh my goodness. No, Coach did good with this one. Coach did good. And it is in smooth leather. Can you guys see that? Like, it's not bright at all. It's muted, almost like a pastel. Yes, that's how best I would describe it. It's like a pastel yellow. And oh my goodness, no. Okay, let's get this all off. Can you guys see how wrapped this bag is? Like, it's wrapped into the clochette strap. Like, that is even the key in the key hood, the key bell is wrapped. Like, look at and I'm not going to, I don't think I'm ever going to take that wrapping off. Sorry. Okay, so this is, I don't know what the letters are before the name, but it is the SAMMY Top Handle right there. And the best way I can describe this color is a buttery yellow, kind of like a margarine. Is margarine yellow or is butter yellow? I don't know. But it's kind of like, it reminds me of like old school margarine, like really nicely churned yellow margarine is what it reminds me of. That's the best thing. Okay, let's look at the bag. Top handle. This is just like the Rogue top handles. This is exactly the Rogue top handle, and I love that they've put this top handle on another style bag. This is awesome because I've been saying it, like, the Rogue is not my favorite style. They have put the handle, which is one of the best features of the Rogue, on a structured bag in this shape that I love, which is awesome. It has a back pocket, shoulder strap or crossbody with adjustable holes for adjustment, which is awesome. One back pocket, which is pretty tight. You can fit a phone in there. Honestly, I don't think I'm going to be putting anything in there, just so that it doesn't stretch, you know, and then start gaping. I won't like that. But there's a back pocket there if you like it. The back pocket is also leather lined, and I say also because I know that the interior is leather lined. Now, this is what it looks like on the side. You have the key bell, the keys inside, and then you have the hand tag that is stamped Coach. Honestly, I wish they did a 1941 hand tag on this bag, but it's okay. This is what the other side looks like. So pretty. And then you do have that room for adjustment there, which I'll show you guys in a bit. You have that C logo right there, front and center, but at the same time it is not so loud and obnoxious, where if you don't want anybody to know that you're carrying like a designer bag, if they don't know Coach, they wouldn't really know what this is. But I love it. And it has a push lock closure there, which is so easy. Oh man, just look at that beautiful leather on the inside. I love leather lined bags. Yes, this is what I'm talking about. This is what I said last year in my, I don't know what to title this video is Coach needs to start doing leather lined everything. This is beautiful. This is worth my $700. Totally worth it. Like, look at that leather lining, and it's not flimsy leather lining. This is it feels really good. It feels really good. That interior, I love it. Look at the hardware on the inside, so pretty. Like, this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. Not one flaw on this bag. Okay, I need a few minutes to look this bag over, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I've looked it over and I'm still gushing. I might actually carry this bag out today. And I'm not even going anywhere. I'm just going to Walmart and Staples. But I absolutely immediately want to use it. And I'm cutting the tag off. Full disclosure, it does have one tiny spot here. I don't even know if you guys will be able to see it, but it's right there where my finger is. I'm not picky, so I don't really care. It's just a very tiny black dot. It looks like part of the grain of the bag, and this thing was fully factory wrapped. You guys saw it, so I'm totally fine. Key Here it has this really nice push lock closure, which is very easy to open and close. So the key does work, so I've heard. I'm not going to unwrap my key, like I said, so we're not going to try it in this video. But that's how that opens. Beautiful interior, like I said earlier. And then on the inside, see, it's all leather lined. Look at that beautiful rich brown leather. Dust bag on the inside. First compartment here, this is probably where my phone will go, or my card holder. Main compartment, which is beautiful. This bag is a small bag, it is not big. Don't come and complain about how, oh, it's a small bag, I didn't know it was so small. It's small, okay? And then it has a pocket on the back, and you have the care card at the back there. On the inside at the back, you can also see the straps for adjustment of the side, and then the story patch is stamped into the back there. So let me unsnap the straps. So I've unsnapped both of them, and then I can pull out the straps and then just make the bag a little bit bigger. Look at that. See? You can pull it out. I'll put it out and put it on the first setting. So there's 2 settings on that strap. Now I can bring it out the whole way. Yeah, I bring it out the whole way, and you can see the 2 settings. So you can take that entire strap out. I don't know why you'd want to, but you can, because there's holes on all of the sides of the bag. And then you can see that behind the strap is the 1941 stamp right there, which is cool. It tells you that this is one of the higher quality bags that Coach has to offer. I'm going to put it on the first setting. It was on the second setting before, so I'm going to put it, I think, permanently on the first setting. I'm going to spend the entire day fiddling with this bag. That's how excited I am. I'm so happy I can go to work today. Like, I'm off today. So I can spend the whole day just touching and looking at it and loving it. I'm still gushing at that interior. Look at the interior. Oh my goodness. Just look at that. Look at that. The top flap is certainly going to crease because it is leather. So the opening and closing of it, you're going to have some creasing. Even at the back here where it opens and closes. But I'm not here to talk about that today. Today is just the unboxing and just me gushing over this beautiful bag. That's what today is. So just look at it. Like, even with my outfit, this is not an outfit. This is sweat, me at home, my comfy cozy day, and I'm going to wear it. Just look at that. This is how I'm going out today, like this. Like, I'm switching into this bag immediately. Look at that gorgeousness. Just look at how pretty it is. So beautiful. And I'm not using any lighting. I'm in my closet room. It's just daylight. It's not very bright outside, but this is what it looks like. I'll probably take a picture. You have the 4 feet. I'll take a picture in natural light outside and post it on my Instagram. So if you're not following me on Instagram, go and follow my Instagram. My Instagram handle is at YellowSparksJoy, because I'm going to be posting pictures of this new baby of mine in different lights on Instagram. You know, I thought this was going to be like a bright, I know I like hay, but I've seen hay in like suede and in pebble leather, but I've never seen it in smooth leather. And this it's just different. It's different in all types of fabrics, to be honest. I thought it was really going to be bright, but I love it. I love the muted pastel look of this color in this bag. It is stunning. This is a bag that is going to age well, that I'm going to wear for years and years and years, and like 20-30 years from now I will still be carrying it, because it's not trendy and the color is not trendy either. I totally absolutely love it. I can definitely wear it all year round. Like, it's not seasonal at all, even though they did bring it out with their spring collection. I don't think this color is seasonal. I like black bags. You can see that I like neutral bags because it just goes in my wardrobe better. I do love color, so I definitely have colored bags as well. My colored bags are not as many as my black bags, but I cherish each and every one of them because they're a thoughtful addition to my wardrobe. So to see how well this beautiful Hey Sammy top handle is going to fit into my wardrobe, you want to click on this video and go watch my entire collection of colored handbags. Thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing, and I'm definitely going to film a review, so make sure you're subscribed, hit the tiny notification bell so you don't miss when that review video goes up. I'll see you guys in this one. Bye.